Now, before going to the Visual Studio to see how we can use the operators, we need to explain one of the main components in C Sharp, which is the functions. What are the functions in C Sharp? Functions is simply a block of code. Inside this function, we can write a code. This code can do something for us, like saving data, retrieving data, processing image, etc. How to create a function in C Sharp? To create a function in C Sharp, we need first to mention the access modifier for this function. Regarding the access modifiers, I will explain them in the next few slides. But now, it's important to know that we need to mention the access modifier for this function. And then we need to set the return type. Return type means what kind of data this function is going to return. The data types, which I already explained, like integer, boolean, decimal, float, string, etc., can be used here. The function also can return nothing. If the function will not return anything, I can use here as a return type the keyword void. I will show this in an example in the Visual Studio. And then I have to mention the function name and I have to use these parentheses. And then I have to open and close the curly brackets, and inside the curly brackets I can write my code, like defining variables, saving data, processing file, etc. Now let's go back to the Visual Studio to understand how we can use the operators and how we can create functions.